Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back, guys, for the two Sudokus or puzzles left in the daily newspaper of Thursday, July the 29th, 2021. Yes, actually, it's today, Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. Normally on Sunday, I do the rest of the puzzle of Saturday, July the 31st, but on Saturday we have no extra Sudokus, so I've decided to continue yesterday with the Friday newspaper and today on Sunday with the Thursday newspaper. So this one, a 2 stars Sudoku, it will be number 3181. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then okay, so we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 3 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Then. 9, 6, 4, 7, 9, 6, 4, 7. Okay. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Okay. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 8. How about these 2 numbers in the middle row? Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6. 1 and a 6 are missing. 1 and a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. 3. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 4 should be there. One number left in this row for the number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 9. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 3 and 1, 3 and 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, 7, 8, and a 9. 6 and a 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright. Alright. Mm-mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the row above, the only place for the 5 should be here. 5, 5, okay. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Interesting. Okay. 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see a 1 in this big square. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column. 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see this is number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Here also 2 and 3. Okay. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 1. 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. No, 2 and 8. No, 2 and 7. Yes, 2 and 7 are missing. 2 and 7 we see here. 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between and the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. Well, we see here 2, so no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. Alright. So 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. Alright. Okay, so we have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle, the column between, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this column, the last column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and the 8. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8, and a 9. 6 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 6 goes there. Alright. How about those 2 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9. 6 and a 9. We have a pair. 9 and a 6. Yeah, it's the pair. 9 and a 6. 9 and a 6. Well, we have a 9 here, so this box can't be 9 anymore. This box should be a 6, and this box should be a 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 6. 1 box left in this column for the number 3, I believe 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so the last row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 number left in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 number left in the last row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, 5 and a 6. 4 and the 6 are missing. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow. Quicker than the previous Sudoku, and I like this one. Yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle in this additional. It will be a binary one. So see you then. Bye-bye for now.